In the vast plains of Africa, an apex predator rules with unmatched power and grace, the mighty lion. Join us on an epic journey as we unveil some fascinating facts about this magnificent creature. Prepare to be amazed. A lion's roar can travel up to 5 miles, resonating through the savannah, marking its territory and asserting dominance. Lions are highly sociable creatures, living in prides that consist of related females, their playful cubs, and a few dominant males. Together, they form a close-knit family. Behold the regal symbol of the male lion, the majestic mane. It not only accentuates their grandeur, but also serves as a sign of strength during territorial disputes. Witness the cunning and prowess of the lion's hunting techniques. They employ stealth, teamwork, and lightning-fast speed to bring down their prey. With their fearsome bite, lions can crush bones effortlessly. It's this incredible bite force that helps them dominate the food chain. Experience the tender side of lions. Female lions, known as lionesses, are nurturing mothers, fiercely protective of their adorable cubs. Despite their iconic status, lions face grave threats in the wild. Habitat loss and poaching endanger their survival. Let us cherish and protect these magnificent creatures. As the sun sets on our journey, we hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for the might and splendor of the lion, nature's ultimate predator.